weekly cybersecurity news and updates powered by Cybersecurity Park.
Microsoft has recently addressed a weakness in Microsoft Defender Antivirus on Windows that allowed attackers to plant and execute malicious payloads without triggering Defender's malware detection engine. Critical security vulnerabilities have been disclosed in a WordPress plugin known as PHP Everywhere that's used by more than 30,000 websites worldwide and could be abused by an attacker to execute arbitrary code on affected systems. A detailed examination of pay-per-install malware service called PrivateLoader has revealed its crucial role in the delivery of a variety of malware such as Smoke Loader, Redline Stealer, Vidar, Raccoon, and GC Learner since at least May 2021.
Weekly cybersecurity news and updates powered by Cybersecurity Park. TFM.
Let's talk.